Hello friends, this is another set of gift which I received along with the Fevicryl gift set. So if you haven't seen that video, you can just go through that. It's the brand is Solo Bolo. Okay, so it has a set of 4 coasters and a coaster stand printed already with the Madhubani designs. So you can see that I hope it is clear. This is an elephant, and that one was a set of fish. And then you have an owl. No, this is a peacock. This is a peacock. I'm sorry about the focus. And here is an owl. Here is an owl, and it also has a coaster stand and a pallet. Along with this, they have also given one set of colors. I think they are Faber-Castell colors, acrylic colors. So you have these colors here. So I'm going to finish this and I will show you the end product. Oh, of course, they have one set of brush which is given along with the kit. So this is how the owl turned out to be. These are Madhubani designs. So, and these are the peacocks. And the fish design, Madhubani fish design. And of course, the beautiful elephant. So I'm not going to make it into a coaster. So I will be changing it to a fridge magnet, which I am very fond of. So these are the 4 coaster MDF boards which are pre-marked, and that's how I have completed it. I hope you like it. Thank you.